Hey grade 7s, 9.5, adding integers. So you guys, you're complaining about how amazing you guys are with algebra tiles, and so now we're going to do it without the algebra tiles, and you're going to show us that you're capable of doing this without representing them with the positive and negative tiles. So for example, positive 2 plus positive 3, is positive 5. Well, let's take a look. There are some rules. Number 1, let's just review. 4 plus 5, so here's 4 positives and 4 positives. That should make a total of 9 positives. Negative 4 plus negative 5, here's our 4 negatives, our 5 negatives, a total of 9 negatives. Negative 4 plus 5 is equal to 1, and the reason why is because we create our 0 pairs. This is all review from last class. So we've got 1, 2, and 3, and 4 0 pairs. Our remainder is that 1. Alright, let's move on. The rule for addition of integers, positive and negative integers, we're going to use a little red window here. It's going to help us. What we're going to do is, instead of seeing these two signs right here, you see how there's two signs between the integers, and there's two signs between the integers? We're going to simplify and only have one sign. And the rules are as follows. Number 1, if the signs between the integers are the same, replace them with a positive or addition sign. For example, I put my little red box between the two integers, and I'm just going to make sure you guys understand what I'm talking about. Here's the integer number 1, and here's integer number 2. My little red box goes between, and I see two additions because they're the same. So instead of having 2, I just have 1. And in this case, because of the same, it's addition. And addition is always to the right. So in this case, it says start at 4. So I start here and go 9 to the right. 1, 2, 3, all the way up to 13. That's all that means. Rule number 2, if the signs between the integers are different, replace them with a negative or a substitution sign. So you take your little red box between the two integers, and I see there's one addition, oh look at that, it lines up perfectly, and one subtraction. The signs are different, so I'm going to replace them with subtraction. So we start off, the question says starting at positive 4, I have to subtract 9. And as soon as you think of subtraction, you're going to the left. So I start at 4 right here, and I have to take 9 away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I end up at negative 5. Here's another example. Negative 3 plus negative 4. I put my little window between, and I see that the signs are different. Therefore, I have to replace those two with a subtraction sign, meaning I'm going to the left no matter what. It tells me to start at negative 3, which is over here. And it says go 4 to the left. That's what this means. This means go 4 left. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I should end up at negative 7. So what I want you guys to do is fill in the next line. Take a look at this. Here's negative 4 plus negative 7. What will the sign be? What I mean by the next line, just type in what you think the next line of the sign will be. Will it be a positive, addition, or subtraction? Well, because these two are different, I'm going to replace it with subtraction. In this case, take a look at the two of them. They're different, so it's going to be subtraction. These two are the same, so it's addition. And these two are different, so it's going to be subtraction, moving to the left. Let's just solve this. This means I'm negative 4, and I have to go 7 to the left. That means I will end up at negative 11. This one says starting at negative 11, move to the left 5. So I'm going to end up at negative 16. This one says starting at 3, move to the right 4. I got it positive 7. And finally, this one says starting at positive 10, move to the left 4, which is equal to 6. Try these ones by yourselves. And that's it, guys. Take care.